For decades, aluminum has been the gold standard for performance cars, lightweight, strong, and a favorite among premium brands. Its unique combination of strength and low weight made it the material of choice for engineers seeking speed and efficiency, helping to define an entire era of automotive design. From luxury sedans to high-performance sports cars, aluminum became synonymous with innovation and prestige. But now, the era of aluminum is drawing to a close, and the revolution is coming from an unexpected place. Xiaomi. Known for disrupting the tech world, Xiaomi is now setting its sights on the automotive industry, bringing its signature blend of ambition and cutting-edge technology to the world of cars. Their upcoming 20,000C, Xiaomi 2026 SU7, isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a bold statement of intent, built on the groundbreaking Dragon chassis. This platform is designed from the ground up to challenge everything we thought we knew about car construction. This isn't a minor upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of how cars are built, challenging 2 decades of automotive convention. Xiaomi's engineers have thrown out the old rulebook, opting for a radical new approach that could redefine the industry. The Dragon chassis signals that aluminum may soon be obsolete, replaced by smarter, stronger materials, advanced composites and alloys that offer even greater strength, flexibility, and safety. These new materials are not only lighter, but also more adaptable to the demands of modern electric vehicles. Xiaomi's innovation could force the entire industry to rethink its approach, as rivals scramble to keep up. Established automakers are now watching closely, realizing that the future may belong to those who adapt fastest. This is more than a new car launch, it's a turning point in automotive history. Just as steel once gave way to aluminum, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era in car manufacturing. The SU7's advanced chassis technology sets a new benchmark for strength, safety, and performance at a price that's hard to ignore. It's not just about going faster or farther, it's about building cars that are smarter, safer, and more sustainable. The question now isn't if the old ways will be replaced, but how fast the rest of the world can catch up. As the industry races to adapt, the pace of change is accelerating like never before. The age of aluminum is ending, with a roar, not a whimper. The future of automotive innovation has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules for everyone. So, what makes the Dragon chassis so revolutionary? It abandons the all-aluminum approach for a hybrid structure. Xiaomi combines ultra-high strength, hot-formed steel in critical areas with advanced composites elsewhere. Think of it as a high-tech skeleton, with each bone optimized for its job. The result, a super-stiff safety cell for protection, and lighter materials where possible for efficiency. The battery pack is integrated directly into the chassis, lowering the center of gravity and boosting rigidity. This isn't just a collection of parts, it's a unified, intelligent structure. The Dragon chassis is stronger where it matters, lighter where it can be, and more integrated than anything before. It's a leap beyond traditional designs, setting a new standard for how cars should be built. Xiaomi's approach proves that intelligent engineering can outperform brute force lightness. What does all this mean for drivers? Let's break down the real-world advantages you'll notice every time you get behind the wheel. First, safety. Thanks to the Dragon chassis' ultra-rigid safety cell, occupants are protected far better than in conventional frames. This advanced structure is engineered to withstand even the toughest impacts, giving you and your loved ones peace of mind on every journey. In a crash, the chassis channels impact forces away from the cabin, dramatically reducing the risk of injury. It's a level of protection that sets a new standard for automotive safety. This exceptional stiffness doesn't just keep you safe, it transforms handling too. With no flex in the frame, you get precise, confident control. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising down the highway, the advanced suspension system, working in harmony with the rigid chassis, delivers a ride that's both sporty and comfortable. You'll feel connected to the road, yet isolated from its imperfections. Dual-chamber air suspension and predictive damping technology adapt instantly to changing road conditions, making every journey smooth, whether you're weaving through city traffic or gliding along the open highway. The integrated design also eliminates unwanted vibrations and noise, creating a cabin environment that's quieter, more refined, and truly relaxing, even at higher speeds. Crucially, all these benefits come without a weight penalty. The Dragon chassis delivers strength and safety without sacrificing efficiency, so you get better performance and range. The Dragon chassis isn't just about impressive numbers or engineering feats. It's about a driving experience that feels a generation ahead, more responsive, more comfortable, and more enjoyable every day. It's safer, sharper, and smoother, raising the bar for what a modern car can be and redefining your expectations every time you take the wheel. A great chassis needs a great powertrain, and Xiaomi delivers on both fronts with impressive innovation and precision engineering. The SU7's new high-voltage architecture, up to 897 volts in the max trim, means more power, greater efficiency, and ultra-fast charging that redefines convenience for electric vehicles. Every model is equipped with the advanced hyper-engine V6's Plus motor, capable of spinning up to a staggering 22,000 RPM, delivering instant torque and thrilling acceleration. Standard and Pro trims offer brisk acceleration, but the Max's dual motors unleash a combined 681 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.1 seconds, rivaling supercars. Battery options range from 73 kWh to over 100 kWh, providing up to 902 kilometers of range on a single charge, enough for long road trips or daily commutes without worry. Thanks to 5C ultra-fast charging technology, you can add an incredible 670 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. Range anxiety. With the SU7, it's a thing of the past. The Dragon chassis provides the rock-solid platform for all this power, ensuring precise control, stability, and safety at any speed, whether on city streets or open highways. Xiaomi's holistic engineering approach means performance, efficiency, and practicality are seamlessly integrated, creating a driving experience that's both exhilarating and reliable. The SU7 isn't just fast. It's engineered for real-world excitement, everyday usability, and the confidence to take on any journey, wherever the road leads. The SU7 is more than just a car, it's a true tech powerhouse designed for the future. Every trim comes standard with advanced driver assistance hardware, including LiDAR, radar, and high-def cameras for enhanced awareness. All this data feeds into a powerful NVIDIA Thor U platform, running Xiaomi's own AI for smarter, safer, and more intuitive semi-autonomous driving. Inside, luxury meets technology, a responsive interface, customizable ambient lighting, Dolby Atmos audio, and even an optional fridge for added comfort. The tech isn't just for show, it makes driving safer, easier, and more enjoyable for everyone on board. The SU7 blends high-performance hardware with cutting-edge software, truly redefining what a smart car can be today. Safety, comfort, and seamless connectivity are standard, not optional in every SU7. With the SU7, Xiaomi proves a car can be both thrilling to drive and a true smart device for the modern era. The SU7 didn't just make a splash, it triggered a tidal wave. Within minutes of launch, Xiaomi received 15,000 deposits, shattering records and signaling a seismic shift in the EV market. Priced around $31,870, the SU7 offers supercar acceleration, standard LiDAR, and luxury features for the cost of a family sedan. Buyers responded in droves, forcing competitors to rethink their strategies. The SU7 has overtaken giants like Tesla in China, setting a new bar for value and innovation. Production is ramping up, with global expansion plans already underway. This isn't just a Chinese phenomenon, it's a global challenge to the old guard. The SU7's runaway success is a wake-up call. The future belongs to those who innovate. Xiaomi has arrived, and the industry will never be the same. The Xiaomi SU7 and its Dragon chassis mark a turning point for the auto industry. The future isn't about refining old ideas, but reimagining them, integrating materials, battery, and software into a seamless whole. The benchmark has shifted. Soon, cars without integrated batteries or intelligent chassis will seem outdated. Xiaomi's approach to standard safety tech and smart features will force the industry to evolve. Tomorrow's cars will be safer, smarter, and more connected, right from the base model. The SU7 is more than a car, it's a catalyst for change, redefining expectations for performance, safety, and technology. The Dragon chassis is a symbol of a new era, smarter, stronger, and more integrated than ever. The future of driving has arrived, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. As the dust settles on Xiaomi's bold move, the global automotive and tech industries are watching closely. In Germany, automakers famous for their engineering prowess are already testing similar integrated chassis concepts, hoping not to fall behind. In the US, industry analysts debate whether legacy brands can adapt quickly enough, with some experts calling China's leap a wake-up call for Western innovation. Japanese manufacturers, known for their cautious approach, are quietly forming partnerships with tech firms to explore smarter, lighter alternatives to aluminum, signaling a new wave of cross-industry collaboration. Meanwhile, major tech giants see the Dragon chassis as a blueprint for merging hardware and software in ways that could extend far beyond cars, from smart homes to robotics. Early market data tells a compelling story. Consumers are responding with enthusiasm, especially in regions where electric vehicles are gaining ground. Pre-orders for SU7-inspired models are breaking records, and social media buzz is fueling worldwide curiosity. Industry insiders predict that within a few years, integrated chassis technology will become the new gold standard, pushing suppliers, designers, and engineers everywhere to rethink what's possible. The world isn't just watching China, it's following its lead. The era of aluminum may be coming to an end, and the global race to redefine mobility has only just begun. As the world races toward a new automotive future, one question stands out. How does Xiaomi's groundbreaking chassis stack up against traditional aluminum when it comes to the environment? Let's break it down. Aluminum, while lightweight and durable, requires energy-intensive mining and smelting processes. These steps contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and leave a lasting mark on ecosystems. While aluminum is highly recyclable, the recycling infrastructure itself demands considerable energy, sometimes offsetting the environmental benefits. Enter Xiaomi's Dragon chassis. Crafted with a blend of advanced composites and smart manufacturing techniques, this new approach slashes energy consumption right from the start. The materials are sourced and processed using methods designed to minimize emissions and waste. In fact, early life cycle analyses show that producing the Dragon chassis generates up to 40% less CO2 compared to traditional aluminum frames. But the advantages don't stop there. The Dragon chassis is engineered for modularity and ease of disassembly, making end-of-life recycling simpler and more efficient. Components can be reclaimed, repurposed, or recycled, with less energy input, reducing the environmental footprint even further. Perhaps most importantly, the lighter, stronger structure means improved vehicle efficiency, translating to lower energy use on the road, and fewer emissions over the car's lifetime. The result? A chassis technology that not only pushes the boundaries of performance, but also sets a new benchmark for sustainability in the automotive industry. As more manufacturers follow Xiaomi's lead, the road to a greener, cleaner future is coming into sharp focus. But how did Xiaomi achieve such a dramatic leap in automotive engineering? Let's step behind the scenes to uncover the story of the Dragon chassis, one of relentless research, bold ideas, and the visionaries who brought it to life. It all began in Xiaomi's state-of-the-art R&D center, where a diverse team of engineers, led by materials scientist Dr. Lin Qiao, set out to challenge the status quo. Their mission: design a chassis that could outperform aluminum in every way: lighter, stronger, and greener. Early brainstorming sessions saw wild concepts sketched onto whiteboards, from bio-inspired lattice structures to hybrid composites never before used in automotive frames. Months of tireless experimentation followed. Dr. Qiao's team collaborated with chemists, mechanical engineers, and even AI specialists to simulate thousands of material blends. A major breakthrough came when engineer Wei Zhang discovered a unique layering process that bonded carbon-infused polymers with recycled alloys, achieving unprecedented rigidity and flexibility. This milestone unlocked the signature strength of the Dragon chassis, while keeping weight to a minimum. But innovation didn't stop at materials. The team pioneered a modular assembly technique, allowing for rapid prototyping and easier upgrades. Testing was relentless. Crash simulations, thermal stress trials, and real-world track runs pushed every prototype to its limits. Each setback became a lesson, each success a step closer to the final design. After 3 years of collaboration, iteration, and late nights in the lab, the Dragon chassis emerged as a triumph of modern engineering. It's more than a product, it's a testament to what's possible when vision, talent, and technology converge. As Xiaomi's engineers continue to push boundaries, the story of the Dragon chassis is a reminder. Behind every breakthrough lies a team of innovators daring to dream bigger. While the Dragon chassis stands as a marvel of engineering, the road ahead isn't without its bumps. As Xiaomi moves from prototype to mass production, scaling up this cutting-edge technology presents significant challenges. Manufacturing facilities must be retooled to handle the unique materials and advanced assembly processes, requiring major investments and new expertise. Supply chains, already stretched thin in the global market, will need to adapt to source specialty composites and recycled alloys at scale, all while maintaining Xiaomi's high standards for quality and sustainability. Regulatory approval is another obstacle. Because the Dragon chassis introduces novel materials and assembly methods, it must undergo rigorous safety and environmental testing in each market. Navigating a maze of international regulations could delay rollouts and add unforeseen costs. Meanwhile, established automakers are watching closely, ready to challenge Xiaomi's patents or accelerate their own innovations to maintain market share. The competition is fierce and the race to dominate the next generation of automotive technology is just beginning. Finally, consumer perception remains a wild card. While early adopters are excited by the Dragon chassis' promise, widespread acceptance depends on proving its reliability and safety over time. Xiaomi must invest in education, outreach, and transparent communication to build trust among buyers worldwide. The Dragon chassis represents a bold leap forward, but the journey is far from over. Overcoming these hurdles will require as much ingenuity and determination as its original creation. And the world will be watching to see if Xiaomi can deliver on its ambitious vision. As the first wave of Dragon chassis vehicles rolls onto city streets and highways, the world finally gets a taste of what Xiaomi's innovation means in everyday life. Early adopters and industry reviewers have wasted no time sharing their experiences, and their opinions are as varied as the roads they travel. One enthusiastic owner describes the ride as unbelievably smooth, praising the chassis' rigidity and lightweight feel. It's like driving the future, responsive, nimble, and incredibly quiet. Another highlights the impressive safety features, saying, "Knowing this car is built on something so advanced gives me real peace of mind." Tech reviewers echo these sentiments, noting the chassis' ability to absorb bumps and enhance handling, especially in tight urban environments. It's a game changer for city driving, one blog reads, and it feels like Xiaomi has leapfrogged the competition. But not all feedback is glowing. Some drivers voice concerns about long-term durability, questioning how the new composite materials will hold up over years of daily use. "It's amazing now, but I wonder about repairs and maintenance down the line," says one cautious owner. Others note that replacement parts and service centers are still catching up, making it challenging to address minor issues quickly. A few reviewers also mention a learning curve with new features and controls, suggesting that Xiaomi could do more to simplify the user experience for those less tech-savvy. Despite these critiques, the overall sentiment is one of excitement and curiosity. Forums buzz with stories of unexpectedly high mileage, positive crash test results, and even neighborhood envy sparked by the car's futuristic design. As the Dragon chassis starts to prove itself on the road, its greatest test will be time. Will it deliver on its promises for years to come, or will early skeptics be proven right? For now, one thing is clear. The conversation has only just begun, and the world is watching every mile. With Xiaomi's Dragon chassis making headlines, the automotive world stands at a crossroads, one where aluminum, once the gold standard, may soon be just another chapter in history. Industry analysts are already speculating what comes after aluminum, and how will Xiaomi's bold leap shape the future of car manufacturing. Experts predict a surge in research and development as automakers race to discover the next breakthrough material. Lightweight composites, high-strength polymers, and even advanced carbon fiber blends are now in the spotlight. Some companies are exploring bio-based materials, think plant-derived plastics and recyclable metals, driven by both performance needs and environmental imperatives. The Dragon chassis has proven that innovation isn't just about speed or style, it's about rethinking what a car can be, from the inside out. As supply chains shift and sustainability becomes non-negotiable, automakers worldwide are reimagining their factories and forging new partnerships with materials scientists and tech startups. Looking ahead, we may see modular chassis designs that allow for rapid upgrades, or smart materials that heal themselves after minor damage. The line between automotive and aerospace technology is blurring, with lessons from one industry fueling breakthroughs in the other. One thing is certain, Xiaomi's bold move has set off a global domino effect. As the world's roads fill with new ideas and new materials, the age of aluminum is giving way to an era defined by adaptability, sustainability, and relentless innovation. The race is on, not just to build the best car, but to redefine what's possible on four wheels.